How to color match images in Adobe Photoshop. Choose Quick Selection tool and then choose Select Subject button. Choose Select and Mask to refine selection and follow process. Choose Output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Curves. Click on this icon to only affect the layer below it. Double-click on this RN not on the mask. Click here. Choose Auto Options. Check Find Dark and Light Colors. Click on Shadows. Select the darkest pawn in the background. Click on the highlights and select the brightness point of the background. You can also click on the midtones and select the mid-tone between dark and bright colors. You can save this as default, it doesn't matter. Let's add a color lookup for better matching. Choose Crisp Winter. Change the blending mode to Soft Light. Reduce the fill. Here's the before, here's the after. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.